Assembly. The CX requires minimal assembly to get started. The main components for your system are the CX monitor, an antenna that is either 1.2 GHz, 1.6 GHz, or 2.3 GHz, a handle assembly, standard AC power supply, 12-volt lithium-ion battery, mini cart for the antenna, and grid templates for 3D imaging. The CX12 is designed for minimal setup time in the field for maximum productivity. Prior to turning on the system, connect the antenna to the CX unit. Ensure that the antenna connection is secure, which is indicated by feeling and hearing the connector click into place once twisted clockwise. Secure the cable in the strain relief assembly. To connect the power supply, insert the power cable connectors to the receptacles on the CX unit and the battery respectively. Proper alignment of the connector is facilitated by lining up the red dots on the connector and the receptacle. If you are using the AC power supply, insert the plug into the nearest outlet or extension cord. Insert the power cable connector to the CX unit receptacle in the same manner as the battery cable. There are two connection ports at the rear of the antenna. When looking at the back of the antenna, the port to the left is for the distance encoder cable, and the port to the right is for the handle control cable for remote menu operation. To use the mini cart, first attach the encoder cable affixed to the cart to the left connection port. Next, attach the handle control cable to the right connection port. Then place the antenna under the cart. Be sure to line up the bolts on the cart and the studs on the antenna. Turn the bolts so they insert into the studs on the antenna, but be careful not to over-tighten. The single wheel encoder can be attached in two locations, either in the back or along the side. This enables users to change the polarity by 90 degrees if they desire. Sometimes horizontal reflections or weak targets become more prominent when the polarization is rotated 90 degrees from the normal direction. Next, attach the encoder cable affixed to the wheel to the antenna. The optional handle system supplied with your CX unit allows the operator to collect data while standing or to reach ceilings and walls. Plug the handle assembly cable into the back of the antenna. Line up the forks and the studs, and then adjust the telescoping handle to suit the operator's height.